Hey there you guys, in today's video I'm going to show you my fall mommy routine. So it's officially fall. Oh my gosh you guys, fall is one of my favorite seasons and I'm so excited for it to be here. So this fall is going to be a little different because we are moving, and at first I wasn't going to do a fall routine because I mean my house is pretty much dull and it's packed away. So I was like, you know what, we're going to enjoy decorating for fall one more time before we leave this house. So I have a mommy morning routine that I did, so I can link it for you guys so you can see all that I do in the morning. You guys know I like to be up before the kids so that I can have time to myself to shower, get myself together, exercise, work out, pray, and all that good stuff. So in the mornings I have time to myself for at least an hour if I'm lucky. So of course I got to get my devotional time in, journal, pray, read my Bible. I have this mommy devotional Bible that I'm absolutely loving, and of course I'm still reading my 100 Days to Brave devotional by Annie Downs. I love it. So once I'm done with that, then I check my emails and I finish any editing that I didn't get finished the night before. So once the kids are up, everything else has to be put on the back burner because they need my attention 100%. So once they're up, of course, you know, we go to the bathroom, wash up, take care of them, change them, and all that good stuff. Mom life as usual. So once we're done taking care of ourselves, then we head to the kitchen to get some breakfast and to sit down with each other. So of course I like to open my blinds because I love to use natural lighting. Even though my house doesn't have the best lighting, it saves electricity in the daytime to open the blinds. So since it's fall, I love lighting a fall candle. So right now I'm loving the fresh picked apples from Glade. I haven't had a chance to go and get my fall candles from Bath & Body Works. As soon as I spoke that up and thought about it, I had coupons in the mail, so that is crazy, right? But I want to wait until we move before I buy candles and set it up in our new house. So I found these cute fall socks at Target. Pretty much you're going to see a lot of things from Target because I love the dollar section at Target, y'all. Oh my goodness. So I racked up on a few things from Target, especially pertaining to fall. So I had to get those socks for us. So yeah, like I said, I just racked up on some things from Target to decorate our house with. So I got us some cute little pumpkins, you know, that just are fall like that, you know, our fall meanings. So I just love that. I'm glad I decided to do this because, you know, when it comes to decorating, I like to incorporate my kids in it, just so that way, you know, especially Maddie because she loves helping now. She's such a big help to me. So I just love decorating with her, and once Tristan gets older, he can do the same. Went outside to set up the decorations and everything, so it's not anything major because like I said, I mean in like a couple of days it's going to get packed up, but once we move to our new house we will put those back up before Christmas comes around. So after I'm done taking care of my kids and stuff like that, I have to get the house cleaned up because, you know, like I said, we're leaving, so I just want everything to be done. Oh, and just an FYI, this is borrowed furniture from my in-laws because they didn't want us, you know, not having furniture until we left. So we have just a little bit of furniture from them. So I like to keep the place clean so that the new homeowner can have a nice, clean, well taken care of home when they move in soon. So after I am done with everything on my task and being a mom for a while, I have time to myself. So I do not drink or I don't have any alcohol in my house, especially with my husband being gone for work because I'm the only one taking care of my kids. So I need to be as sane and sober as possible, so I don't drink when I'm by myself. But there is nothing wrong with having a little sparkle bubbly juice here. So I love apple cider for the fall. Like I just feel like it just gives you that fall vibe and stuff like that. But because I don't drink it all the time, it, you know, it's a little bubbly, it's a little strong for me. So So after I'm done having my time to myself, I cuddle with my kids and we just go about our merry way, you guys, and that is pretty much it. So that is my short and sweet fall mommy routine. I actually forgot to show a few things I got from the Dollar Tree and other things I got from Target, but like I said, once we move to our new house and I redecorate, I will show you guys and do a more in-depth clean with me video, fall decorating, and transition into Christmas decorating as well. So I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you so much for your support, love, and as usual, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Peace.